Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's February 25th, 2025. I'm heading back to the sugar shack. I gotta go down in the root cellar and get a jar of honey, and I have to get the roof rake to try and clear off some of the snow from the Harbor Freight greenhouse, the one that's attached to the west side of our house. Still no update. I'm still waiting for the claims adjuster to reach out. Man, I'd really like to get started on this. And you know, you're a good customer. You always pay your bills, your insurance bills, and these are pretty expensive bills that we pay here. And our insurance agent has been great, but the response with the company that's responsible for doing the appraisal of the damage and all, really slow, very much lacking. I'm trying to be real careful here, walking out here. Get over here to, it's like a sheet of ice. We had some rain last night. Boy, the snowbanks have really dropped down to quite a bit. When I came out here yesterday, so I brought some compost and some feed out by the leaf mold pile for the deer. And when I got out here, they saw me coming. They were actually under the solar panels and got all startled and banged into the panels some. But they all made it out of there and made it into the forest. So hopefully everything's okay with the deer and everything's okay with the solar panels now that they're uncovered. But it's just one of those days. Got to be real careful here. Try to find a little bit of snow here. I'm glad we didn't get the sheet of ice, because the excavator would have been of no value today on the icy material. Always leave some snow. But you could see the banks have really come down a lot, but you could see all the deer prints, and they hardly sink in at all. And this was probably 1.5 feet higher. It was probably about this height yesterday and the day before. But it's so dense, even with their narrow little limbs, the deer just walk right on top of this and can get right up into the trees pretty darn well, all the fruit trees and nut trees. So let's see if we can make it back here. Still quite a bit of snow on the sugar shack. That's a metal roof that slides off pretty darn easy. When the snow came off of these solar panels yesterday, of course I was caught down below here because this is the most northern set of solar panels here. Get over here. Man, this is so slick. But I had cleaned all this out, and of course all the snow that was on there came right down in here, and I still had to dig a bit more out. Boy, it's really melted here a lot. And I think it's going to get up, into the low 40s again today. So here's a southern one, and you saw I had this all cleaned all the way down. All this came off of there, and I was driving on top of this. That's how dense it is. That excavator didn't sink in more than 3 inches going down here. So real happy the solar panels are in good shape. A couple of the lower ones have shifted down a little bit. But I'll be seeing Bill Edwards from Skyline Solar. They're really good people. They installed these systems for me. They'll be swinging out, discussing things with me, and we'll go from there. Everything's slick. Let's get to some snow here. All right. I'll be back in a minute.
Snow came down, brought the whole place low. Now I'm standing here with nowhere to go. Left my calls, sent my pleas, but the only sound is the winter breeze. Where's the help? Where's the call? I need answers, but I get nothing at all. Email sent, phones won't ring. We need to move, but we're stuck in a sling. Time keeps ticking, but the mess still stands. Buried machines, work torn from my hands. We don't have time for red tape games. Just need the fix, not the runaround blame. Where's the help? Where's the call? I need answers, but I get nothing at all. Email sent, phones won't ring. We need to move, but we're stuck in a sling. They take our money year after year, say they'll be there, but they disappear. Now it's hit the fan, we're deep in the cold, and I need them to do what they swore they'd uphold. At least come see, walk through the door, take a look at the wreckage, see what's in store. I'm not asking for miracles, just do your part, instead of leaving us out here, torn apart. Where's the help? Where's the call? I need answers, but I get nothing at all. They take our cash, then hide away, but I need them to show up today. Our sleeves, get to work once more. We'll fix this mess like we've done before. Man, it'd be nice if they just come through, instead of leaving us hanging with too much to do.
I'm really looking forward to spring. Really looking forward to spring. So this is all the first food forest, right over to the property line over there, all in here. Really nice. Given what we've had with the building collapse and everything, I'll have to deal with that. So a lot of other projects. I was planning on doing a lot of grafting this spring with, you can see the snows come off the honey hut over there, shot off. It's about 8 foot tall there, the pile. Well, about 7 foot now. Well, I'll be reaching out to the insurance company and the appraisal company again today. I sent an email, and I sent them a message through their messaging service on their website, and I called and left a message yesterday because 4 days is enough to at least get in touch with me and say, hey, we're real busy. I shot the video, drone footage of it. I took lots of photographs. I'll document everything as I go through. But it's kind of important to get started. I've got frost-free hydrants. The walls on the other side have crushed 2 rows of blueberry plants, and it's knocked out the kennel panels there as well, unfortunately. So, yeah, maybe I'll just get started today. I'll try contacting them again this morning after breakfast and see how that goes. But the snow has really, with this warmth, has really started to come down quite a bit here. Oh, Lord. Let's get over here. So you may be able to see up there, those are the copper brakes that keep the snow from coming off in a huge sheet. Years ago I had a truck parked right over here before the remodel that I had done by a construction company, and it was a aluminum roof there. And when that snow came off, it was a snow season like this one. When it came off, well, you could see it came off the work area over there. It came off, but a taller building, and it just crushed the truck. So that's why when I spoke with the engineers and Erie Material, they recommended that I put the snow brakes, because this is a composite slate roof. These ones are. Let me set the honey inside here, then we'll see what we can do about it. How are we doing, hon? See what we can do over here. Icy, icy, icy. So the wind's coming out of the west. We're heading east right now. And so when the winds come out of the west, a tremendous amount of snow hangs off the eastern edge of the roof. And last night we got up there, and those big chunks came flying off and went through part of the roof here. But we'll see what we can do here. Because if we get rain on top of this and it doesn't start to break away, that's an issue. And this is all very thin polycarbonate. This is a Harbor Freight greenhouse. And yeah, I wish I had all my tripods are in the building that got collapsed. Heavy snow. Yeah, no wonder. I take this. I have no idea if that's the right angle, but we'll see. Heavy snow. Yeah, she's bowed in a bit. Bad thing is all my ladders are in the shop that's crushed. Oh, Christ. So we got cat doors and a cat house here for everybody to be able to come in. Yeah, this is a lot of snow here. We can safely go inside there. Take a look around front here. Right up over the top of this wall now. Kind of amazing. I really don't want to go very far here because the snow can shoot right off of this roof. And got a couple of big icicles there. My guy. Yeah. I'm really looking forward to spring. Really, really, really looking forward to spring. Yeah, we won't mess with the big one. This is the whole front garden area that we go to. Hopefully everybody there is going to be okay. Okay, so that's my morning walk out here to remove some snow and get Thea some honey. Now I gotta plan my day.